and I sculpt it with clay, with wax, with anything with this too. So the sticks, the magic wooden sticks, they are all of different hardness. There are different weights. So for example, this is the lightest piece. It's practically weightless, almost like balsa wood. It's not, but it's very light. This one is oak, I think, or mahogany. It's a very heavy, very dense. This one, which is practically the smallest, but that one is the heaviest. This one is much heavier than this one. So they produce different density touch. This and that is 180-degree softness. This is very light and touchy. This is like a punch. It creates enormous density. I pay enormous attention to density of the touch, of the surface, of the... Remember, we discussed that, and we will be discussing that. Density of the bone, of the skin, of the material is going to be all the time. So that's why those stick matters for me. Now, and the knives are, the knives are for the particular... So this is a big knife to sculpt big shape, and it's basically to pull and drag big kind of a line, big fold I need to move. So it's, again, was made by my drawing. It's not as sharp as it can be. It's forged, but it's purposely not sharp. It's just a working knife. They're done because I want them to be that way for what I do. You can't buy this. But again, who needs it except me? This is an old kitchen knife, standard. I like this knife for the hard, stiff blade, but with a little flexibility in it. This is not stiff at all. This is very hard. It has a spring to it, but it's not going to curve. This is partially to have a straight, flat line. This is just a knife. And I use all kinds of knives. I mean, small, big, heavy, kitchen, not kitchen, Japanese, not Japanese. Knives and sticks are my best tools. The rest are the hands. My teacher used to say, if your hands can't get there, it's not worth sculpting.